Right, we'll have a full weather forecast coming up for you in the next half an hour, but time now for a very quick look at that forecast with Elizabeth. Hiya.
Hi Ben, thank you. Well, some clear skies last night, so some great views of January's full moon, the Wolf Moon, of course. And today, well, it's a mixture of some low cloud, but also some sunshine. The air is now a lot milder, so the snow melt is continuing. And there won't be any big changes either. Some regional differences, though, as we head through the rest of the week. But generally speaking, it's going to stay dry. The air is mild for the time of year, particularly in the north and the west. And there'll also be some issues with mist and fog too, but I will have all of the details later.
OK, Elizabeth, thank you very much. We'll see you a bit later on in the programme, Rizzini.
Thank you, Ben. Well, it's milder. It's mostly dry too. Although we do have quite a lot of mist and murk, still plenty of low cloud and some outbreaks of drizzle out towards some of these western coasts. There's also some sunshine for some of us too, and that's tending to be best to the east of high ground, such as here in Shropshire. So why is it so dry and settled? Well, because high pressure is dominating our weather. Here it is to the south of the UK, and it still remains with us over the next few days. So no big changes. You can see the winds are light towards the south, but it's breezier further north. Tighter squeeze on the isobars and some milder air here too, marked in the dark yellows and the ambers. Again, no big changes for the next few days. But let's take a look at the rest of this afternoon in a bit more detail. So the best of the sunshine really across northern, eastern areas of Scotland, down through northern England, and some pockets of brightness and sunshine too, peeping through the cloud across Northern Ireland, England and Wales. Quite the range of temperatures too, 12, 13 Celsius in southern Scotland and in Northern Ireland, but a little cooler than that, just 8 and 9 degrees Celsius further south underneath those areas of cloud still for many. And then overnight tonight, still with that milder air flowing over the really quite cold ground, then we're likely to see some more mist and fog develop in any clear spells, and there will be some through the course of the night. Temperatures 5 to 7 degrees Celsius, a little lower than this, I think, where we do see some clear spells develop, but still 11 degrees Celsius, a very mild night to come out towards northwest Scotland. And of course, here it stays breezy again into tomorrow morning. Could see a few outbreaks of rain, perhaps here and there, but generally speaking, another dry day. Some slightly drier air flowing through as well. So across Northern Ireland and Northern England, and for much of southern eastern Scotland, there will be some sunshine, but areas of fog persisting throughout the day across many parts of southern and eastern England tomorrow. And where we see that fog last, then temperatures will be a little lower than this. But look, double figures for many of us. So the air now milder for the time of year, certainly milder than it has been. The high starts to drift its way a little further eastwards on Thursday. The winds pick up again towards the north and the west. So really quite breezy here, particularly across parts of the Western Isles. But again, a nice slice of sunshine across this central swathe of the UK. So we will see some more sunshine here. But again, it's really quite cloudy, quite murky across parts of East Anglia and towards the south of England as well. Temperature-wise, again, we're between 8 and 11 degrees Celsius. On Friday, the high starts to pull further eastwards. It's really quite windy out towards the north and the west. We've got a weather front trying to push in from the west as well. So here we could maybe see some rain as we head through Sunday, but it is going to gradually peter out, I think. So that rain easing, some more mist perhaps as we head into the start of next week. But again, it's largely a dry and a settled start to the new working week. Things could change later on in the week though, and we could see something a little bit more unsettled, but generally very similar to how it is today.
All right, Elizabeth, thank you very much indeed.